When was the last time you sat in silence and really listened to your heart? To the questions that linger deep inside. Am I living my life the way I truly want? Am I becoming the person I was meant to be? It's easy to ignore these questions, isn't it? Easy to stay busy, distracted, always moving, thinking, planning. But time has a way of slipping by. And if we're not careful, another year, another precious year, will be gone in the blink of an eye. Today, I want to share a lesson, one that changed my life. It's simple but powerful. Don't waste another year. Fix the parts of yourself that need healing, not because you're broken, but because you deserve to be whole. It's never too late to start, but every moment you delay, you're moving further from the life you want and closer to regrets you can never undo. I remember a traveler who once visited our monastery. He was lost, not in direction, but in purpose. He had a successful career, a family, friends, but he felt empty. He told me he had spent years chasing things he thought would make him happy: promotions, possessions, approval. Yet deep down, he knew he had drifted away from himself. He'd become a stranger to the person he once dreamed of being. In his eyes, I saw sorrow, but also a spark, the desire to change, to turn back to himself. If only I had realized sooner, he said. How often do we too push off what matters, believing that someday we'll find time to focus, to change, to become the person we know we're meant to be. But someday isn't promised. And if you want to reclaim your life, it has to begin now. You see, many of us carry with us the weight of regrets, of missed chances or unresolved hurts. These things weigh us down, like a heavy stone we don't even realize we're carrying. Imagine walking through life year after year with that weight, always wondering why you're tired, why you feel unfulfilled. My advice: start by letting go. Let go of the grudges you hold against others, the regrets that keep you stuck in the past, the unrealistic expectations that drain your energy. The monks have a saying, the lightest heart is the one that holds nothing but love. Find out what you're carrying and ask yourself if it's worth the burden. And then, learn to be mindful. Mindfulness isn't a grand achievement. It's a practice of being here, truly here. Each morning, take a few breaths and ground yourself in the present. Think of it as a ritual that connects you to the life you have now, rather than the one you're waiting for. A quiet mind is like a clear pond. It reflects what's true, allowing you to see yourself as you are and choose what you wish to become. It's easy to get lost in the world's noise, the desires, the rush, the endless seeking. But ask yourself, what do I want to feel when I look back on my life? Peace? Fulfillment? Joy? These things don't come from filling our days with more, but from living with intention, choosing what truly matters. To live meaningfully is to take small intentional steps every day. Spend time with people you love. Give yourself space to learn, to grow, to connect to your passions. Maybe it's reading that book you keep putting off, or reaching out to someone who's been on your mind. Life isn't made of grand moments alone. It's the small choices that shape who you are. And who you are becoming is within your control. Always. So, don't let another year slip by unnoticed. Look within, start small, and be kind to yourself along the way. Life is precious and fleeting. Today is your chance to pause, to listen, and to choose the path you'll walk from here. Don't waste it. Your life is a gift, one that only you can fully unwrap. Make today count.